Hey lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel. I am thrilled to have you with me here today as we embark on an exciting journey into the world of eclectic home decoration. If you are someone who loves to mix and match styles, colors, and cultures to create a unique and vibrant living space, you are in for a treat. Eclectic home decoration is all about celebrating diversity and embracing your personal style. It's a creative approach that allows you to blend elements from different periods, cultures, and design aesthetics. So let's dive right in and uncover the key ingredients that make decor so enchanting. The beauty of eclectic decor lies in its ability to break traditional design rules. This style encourages you to embrace a wide range of influences and combine them with expected ways. Whether it's vintage, modern, bohemian, or industrial, don't be afraid to mix and match. To start, consider incorporating pieces from different cultures. Global textiles, arts, and ornaments can add a touch of worldly charm to your space. Remember, there is no right or wrong. Trust your instincts and let your creativity shine. Color and patterns play a crucial role in eclectic home decoration. Bold hues and intricate patterns can coexist harmoniously, infusing your space with energy and personality. Experiment with contrasting colors and layer patterns to create a visually dynamic environment. Think about combining florals with geometric prints or rich jewel tones with muted neutrals. It's all about finding a balance that resonates with you. Eclectic decor is a canvas for your memories and experiences. Showcase your unique journey through life by curating a gallery of personal artifacts and mementos. These displays can include travel souvenirs, family heirlooms, and cherished art pieces. Each item tells a story and adds depth to your home's narrative. The result is a space that feels authentic and deeply personal. When it comes to furniture, don't be confined to a single era or style. Eclectic home decoration is all about blending pieces that resonate with you, regardless of their origin. Pair a vintage wooden table with modern acrylic chairs or combine a sleek leather sofa with a bohemian inspired rug. Just a position of different elements creates a visually captivating atmosphere that is both inviting and intriguing. While eclectic decor embraces a mix of styles, it's important to find a thread that ties everything together. This could be a specific color palette, a recurring pattern, or even a common material. This unifying factor brings a sense of cohesion to the chaos, making your eclectic space feel intentional rather than random. Remember, creating a harmonious blend is the goal, so trust your instincts and have fun experimenting. And there you have it, dear viewers, an exploration of captivating world of eclectic home decoration, from blending diverse cultures to embracing vibrant colors and patterns. This style empowers you to create a home that is truly one of a kind. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video and found inspiration for your own home, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more creative content. Until the next time, stay curious and keep decorating.